Wall Street Journal had an interesting article today. They're talking about political divide, that the red versus blue is dividing stock portfolios like never before. And the chart they have here is from Gallup that the percentage of Republicans expecting stocks up in the next 6 months is 58%, but for Democrats, it's like a record low of 11%. Now, I don't think this is a surprise. As you know, we've talked about this before, that when you look at the general population, it's roughly 50-50 between Democrats and Republicans, but the media has shifted dramatically to Democratic. And we know the Federal Reserve, when you look at political nations, is shockingly 92% Democratic. The stock market also has shifted to Democratic, with hedge funds and venture particularly leaning to Democrats. And that's why I think the stock market tends to be viewing the current president as crazy, whereas the bond market has a different view. The bond market is actually overwhelmingly Republican, and I think that's why the bond market tends to have taken a lot of these events in stride. So keep in mind, when you're looking at the signal coming from the bond market versus the stock market, you have two different political views being expressed. This shouldn't be a surprise. Finance has historically been very democratic, but it's risen in the last couple of years, as you can see, especially for equities.